Good morning everyone. Today is Saturday and nice weather again. Yeah, we are at the little park with Granny. My granny's here beside me there, and somebody's cleaning the yard. Yeah. They're still ongoing to repair. Look at that dog. Look, so cute. This is that. Oh. And oh, very dirty. Oh my god. We need to backward. It's so dirty. They're cleaning the yard. Oh my god. Okay. The dirt's coming. They have two doves here. There. Two doves and the little bird black. Okay. And there is a parking here, parking lot. It's so full of building. Just 5 minutes going at the house here. Going there, our house. Yeah. Very strong wind. If you see me, look. My hair is so mad. Oh my god. The wind is already back. And turn around the wind so we can go. We can walk now. Nagbago yung ihip ng hangin, naiba yung dumi. The dust going there. We are walking. Here's my granny. I'm holding the wheelchair. They're cleaning. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.